Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss how to use the WPF themes from High Robotics side. At first we'll show how to view demo XBAP. You can click on the site. It's better to use Internet Explorer and you can get such an error. To fix this, you can go to the security tabs in Internet Options of the Internet Explorer. Check security tab and custom level security. Here you can enable XAML file viewing to options. Click OK and accept changes. After that you just can refresh the window and XBAP application will appear. Here you can see what you can get, how it looks, or change the theme or the colors if you want. Just go to File, Change Theme and choose another color. Now let's consider you want to use this for your application. We just created a simple WPF application. At first you can add existing project from a downloaded folders. Let's consider we choose a Fisher theme. Just add this project to a solution, then add reference to your running project. And you can find help text in the downloaded folder in the README file. Here you can just copy for a test purpose and place it inside app.xaml. So all app theme will apply to the whole application. If you switch to a main window, you can see that all stuff is applied. You can take another color theme or customize color you like.